glowing over there. Come on, let's see.
Wow!
It's a giant ice cream book. Can we make one too? Yes! Look! Strawberries! We found them! 1 strawberry, 2 strawberries. Now we can make ice cream. Let's go! Yogurt! Honey! Mix, mix, mix. Ice cream time! First, yogurt. Now strawberries. And now, honey, honey, honey. Mix, mix, mix. Wow! Now we need to put it in the freezer. Great job! Let's wait for it to freeze. Waiting time. Yay! I think they're ready. Let's see. Wow! They look amazing! Now let's enjoy our ice cream. Let's go outside. This ice cream is really delicious. Everything homemade tastes so good. Coco, you found us. Ha ha ha, Coco. He likes it. You can try it too. Making ice cream is very easy. Come on and try it.